Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Candles by Victoria haul, and I am so excited. So before we get into it, like this video, make sure to subscribe, and make sure all notifications are on to be notified every single time I upload. I upload about twice a week, and I do everything from beauty to fashion to lifestyle, and I'm also an author, so I do a little bit of bookish things too. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I got 2 candles and a couple of different scent shots from Candles by Victoria. So I got 2 candles and a few scent shots from Candles by Victoria. And I've ordered from her before, but I haven't actually had like her candles, so I'm very excited to see these. But I'm a little bit disappointed because this was supposed to be like a glitter candle, and it's not. It's just like a plain wax. Smells so good though. Okay, so this I think I've had in a scent shot before. And what a scent shot is just like a little wax pot that you can put like under a candle, if under like a light if you have like a candle warmer. And I think I've had this before because it's bringing back a memory. This is in I think Bella's Lullaby, and it's super good. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in because I didn't really like that angle, but this is a close-up of the candle. This is the Love Victoria. It's supposed to be a glitter candle, and yeah, but I really do actually like this. It reminds me of summer for some reason. I don't know, it just smells really nice, so I can't wait to burn it. The next thing I have from her is something called Blushing Peaches, and I got this one because I thought it would look so pretty with a orange glitter, and unfortunately there's no glitter, so I will email them about that and see what they can do. But this doesn't smell like peaches to me. What this smells like is Bum Bum cream. And if you guys know what Bum Bum cream smells like, it's kind of coconutty, kind of nutty. It's not a bad scent, it's just not peaches. So I don't know what it smells like when it's burning, but it definitely doesn't smell like peaches to me, but it doesn't smell bad. So if you like Bum Bum cream, definitely get this candle. It's in Blushing Peaches. So, and then I got about 4 scent shots. So these are scent shots. I like to try them out when I want to try a different scent or a new scent or something. So I got Mango Peach Salsa. Ooh. This smells like a classroom to me. I don't know, it's kind of fruity, kind of, I don't smell salsa. I kind of smell fall, actually. It's kind of fall-like. I don't know, I really like it though. So there's that. And then I got Shamrock Kiss because it's March, and I thought that would be really good for March. And this, I don't know what this smells like. It doesn't smell green, like it doesn't smell fresh. What does that smell? It smells like a gum or like a soap. It smells like a soap to me that I've smelled before. It's not bad again, but it's just something that I didn't really expect. So it's not as green as I would like it, but definitely good. The next one is Ravenclaw, and this is the one I just kind of bought without looking at the scent. It says nothing about the scent, so never mind. But Ravenclaw, because I am a Ravenclaw and I wanted to get 4 scent shots, I thought that was a good number, so. I like this. I like it. It kind of reminds me of a library. I guess that's fitting for Ravenclaw, but it kind of just reminds me of like a cold, rainy day, which actually it is today. It's like overcast and kind of drizzly, and just curling up with a good book and just reading all day, which is totally the vibe of a Ravenclaw. So I think she nailed this one. And the last one I got is, what? Okay, well apparently she sent me 2 mango peach salsas, or maybe I got 2. So this is another mango peach salsa. And it, again, just smells like a school classroom. So, yeah. That was all that I got from Candles by Victoria. Let me know what you guys thought. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, okay, so I was going to end this video there with the Candles by Victoria, but I did grab some from Bath & Body Works a few weeks ago, and I haven't burned them yet, haven't really used them, so I thought that now would be a good time to have a haul, because I didn't get a lot of them, so it wasn't going to be like a worthwhile haul, but I thought I would share the 3 candles I got from Bath & Body Works. The first one I got is Peach Bellini, and Peach Bellini is something I have had in my collection forever. I love the smell of this. If you want a peach smell, get this one. This is my summer favorite. So I burn this a lot in the summer, and so I always associate summer with this, like hot days, and I really like this one. So this is one of my must-haves. I highly recommend it. If you're in the store, go smell it. On the bottom it says, succulent white peach, sparkling prosecco, sweet orange with essential oils, and it's perfect. The next one I got is because if you guys follow me on Instagram, if you guys follow me here, you guys know I am publishing a book named Red Siren. It's all about mermaids. So I saw this in the checkout line, and I said I had to get it because if I don't get it now, it's not going to be there when I go back. Because I don't go candle shopping all that often. So yeah. Alright, so it is Mermaid Hair, Don't Care. And that's what it looks like. So this one says, Coastal Waves, Sparkling Vermont, Sun-Drenched Musk with Essential Oils. So this smells like laundry. But it has a beachy essence to it. It has like a sunscreeny scent to it. And I just thought it was really fun. I liked the candle. I thought it would be cute to have photos with my book in it. And I'm not going to burn this until my book comes in. So I'm really excited about that. So you guys should go buy this. And then when you buy my book, you should have a photo with it and then send it to me. Okay, so this is The Perfect Spring, and this is another one I think that I just really like. It kind of smells, it's very fresh. It's exactly what I thought Shamrock Kiss was gonna smell like, but it's that green fresh take, and I need to start burning it like now. But it says spring air, fresh grass, apple blossom with essential oil. Again, it kind of smells like laundry. I like a clean scent. Smells like laundry, has a little bit of that apple in it. But yeah, I just thought that I would share with you some candles that I got from Victoria and some Bath & Body Works candles. So if you liked this haul, give it a big thumbs up. I can't wait to share with you some more content. I am just kind of filming almost every day now because I've just really been enjoying it. So if you have anything you would like to see, leave it for me in the comments below. And without further ado, I'll go ahead and sign off. And I will see you guys in my next one.